going to show you how to study more effectively. The study skill we are looking at today is concrete examples.
The study skill we are looking at today is concrete examples. It is too easy to gain a false sense of confidence in your ability to memorize new material. Very often we think we have remembered things correctly, only to find that when we need the information the most, i.e. in an exam, that we don't know it nearly as well as we thought. Using concrete, relevant, real-life examples can help you to understand abstract ideas and fix them very firmly into your head. Using concrete examples involves finding and using specific examples to help develop and deepen your understanding of abstract ideas. Abstract ideas can be difficult to understand and explain. Our memories find it far easier to remember concrete examples than abstract information. This is why it's important to link the two. Look through your books and class notes, searching for concrete examples that are relevant to the idea you are studying, or create your own if you can. Using concrete examples massively improves your ability to remember concepts and ideas.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Bye!